Any idea, product, or service can become a business. How to make marketing. Marketing equals money. Learn to make marketing. This video is from marketingcheapasdiy.com. We frequently add new videos, so follow us, so you don't miss anything. Nowadays, everywhere you look, there is how to make money overnight success ads. Everybody, it seems, is obsessed with the new ways to make money. But I say, what's wrong with the old ways? The way to make money has been and always will be to sell something. The secret to making money is no secret at all. The only thing a person needs to do is decide on a product or service they can provide. Then explain how it will help, and then ask for money for that product or service. The ways you explain your product or service or get the word out there become the art of selling. And that is marketing. We all know that in a traditional job, we sell our time for money. Sometimes, like an example of mechanics, one might make $20 an hour. At another shop, Crosstown pays their mechanics $50 an hour. It's the same work, why the difference in pay? It comes down to the perceived value that they are operating at. One shop is probably only charging $75 an hour, as the other ones are probably charging $200 an hour. This could be one of the many possibilities that lead to the difference in pay. But, my point is that business, money, and what you charge are not linear. Just because you charge twice as much as someone down the street doesn't mean you end up with any fewer clients. You end up with the clients that will pay the extra money for the perceived value you are giving. It all comes down to marketing and doing a good job. I'm not saying the other guy is not doing good work, but maybe he's not doing good work at marketing. I believe we tend to overcomplicate our businesses and our lives. It is pretty simple. Not saying it's easy, but it is simple to form a marketing plan that will make any idea successful. Part of marketing is what you are charging. Are you charging enough to sustain your business? The other part is what you are doing to show the value to your customers. Are you explaining the benefits in a way that makes them want to buy? I have found that people will never buy anything that doesn't help them or benefit them in any way. So learn to describe the benefits. And you will be good at making marketing, make you money. Spend some time researching the topic. We have several videos you can view at marketingcheapasdiy.com. You can also request a new video. While there, check out the lessons we offer. For additional support, comment or go to Cheap as DIY Marketing on Facebook and join our mastermind group.